Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, humming along with every part playing a crucial role. One of the most critical components of this machine? Amino acids. Amino acids, the building blocks of life. They are organic compounds composed of nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, along with a variable side chain group. Your body needs 20 different types of amino acids to grow and function properly. Though all 20 of these are important for your health, only 9 amino acids are classified as essential: histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Amino acids are monumental in the synthesis of proteins, which play a crucial role in most biological processes. Much like how letters of the alphabet can be combined to form an endless variety of words, amino acids can be linked in varying sequences to form a vast variety of proteins. Proteins not only are vital for the structure, function, and regulation of your body's tissues and organs, but they are also necessary for your immune system, hormones, and enzymatic reactions. Moreover, they are the primary vehicle for nitrogen within your body, an element essential for growth and repair. Beyond protein synthesis, amino acids have a role in neurotransmitter transport and energy production. They are involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in your brain. Some amino acids are even needed to balance your mood and sleep. Amino acids also contribute to energy production. During periods of starvation or heavy exercise, your body can break down proteins in your muscles into amino acids that can be used for energy. This process is known as gluconeogenesis. So, whether it's building the proteins that make up your skin, muscles, and organs, or producing the neurotransmitters that help your brain function, amino acids are at the heart of nearly every biological process. They are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your body running smoothly. Without amino acids, life as we know it would simply cease to exist. But what exactly are these amino acids and how do they work? Well, to answer that, let's break down the basics. At the heart of every amino acid lies a central carbon atom. This isn't your average carbon atom though. It's a social butterfly, bonding with 4 different groups. Now these groups aren't random. They're specific and critical to the amino acid's identity. First up, we have the hydrogen atom. It's like the steadfast friend who's always there, bonded directly to the central carbon. Then we have the amino group, made up of 1 nitrogen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. This group is the reason we call these compounds amino acids. Next, we find the carboxyl group. This group consists of 1 carbon, 2 oxygen, and 1 hydrogen atom. It's the acid part of the amino acid due to its ability to donate a proton, behaving like an acid in chemical reactions. Last but not least, we have the side chain, also known as the R group. This group is the wild card in the mix. It can be as simple as a single hydrogen atom or as complex as a long chain of carbon atoms with various functional groups attached. It's the side chain that gives each amino acid its unique characteristics and functionality. The beauty of this structure is in its versatility. By changing the side chain, we can create different amino acids. For instance, if the side chain is a simple hydrogen atom, we get glycine, the simplest of all amino acids. But replace that hydrogen with a methyl group, and voila, we've got alanine. This interplay between the central carbon, the amino group, the carboxyl group, and the side chain creates a symphony of chemical reactions that give rise to the diverse world of amino acids. Each one is a unique piece of the puzzle, playing its part in the grand scheme of life's processes. With these building blocks, we can create a wide variety of amino acids, each with its unique properties. Stay tuned, as we're just scratching the surface of this fascinating world. Not all amino acids are created equal. Some are essential, some are not. But what does this mean? Imagine a world where everyone can make their own clothes. Now, there are certain types of clothes you can't make, no matter how hard you try. The only way to get these clothes is through trade or purchase. The same concept applies to amino acids in our bodies. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, much like threads are the building blocks of clothes. Our bodies can create some of these amino acids, but there are others, termed essential, that we can't produce internally. Just like those clothes you can't make, these essential amino acids must come from an outside source, our diet. Now let's dive a bit deeper. There are 20 amino acids our bodies use to construct proteins. Out of these, 9 are essential. These include histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Remember, these are the ones our bodies can't produce, so we have to get them from the food we eat. On the other side of the coin, we have the 11 non-essential amino acids. These include alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, proline, serine, and tyrosine. Don't let the term non-essential fool you. These amino acids are just as important, but our bodies can manufacture them on their own, so they don't necessarily have to come from our diet. The delicate balance between these essential and non-essential amino acids is what allows our bodies to function properly. They're involved in countless physiological processes, from building tissues and supporting immune function to producing energy and regulating mood. So next time you're enjoying a meal, remember the profound role your food plays, not just in satiating your hunger, but in providing the essential amino acids your body can't produce. Thus, the food we consume plays a critical role in providing these essential amino acids. Now that we understand the basics, let's delve deeper into the world of amino acids. Peptide bonds are the unsung heroes in the realm of proteins. They are the strong covalent bonds that link amino acids together, forming the backbone of proteins. When an amino acid loses a hydrogen and oxygen from its carboxyl group, and another amino acid loses a hydrogen from its amino group, a peptide bond is formed. This process is called dehydration synthesis, and it's at the heart of protein construction. But how do we analyze these bonds? Enter Edmonds and Sanger's methods, two techniques pivotal in end-group analysis. Edmonds' method, named after its developer Per Edmond, is a chemical method used to sequentially remove one residue at a time from the amino end of a peptide. This method allows us to determine the amino acid sequence of peptides and proteins with remarkable precision. In contrast, Sanger's method, developed by Frederick Sanger, is a bit different. Rather than sequentially removing residues, Sanger's method labels the N-terminal amino acid of a protein. By doing this, it allows us to determine the protein's complete sequence. Both methods have been instrumental in our understanding of protein structures and functions. Now let's shift our focus to some medicinally important amino acids. Take phenylalanine, for instance. It's an essential amino acid that plays a crucial role in the biosynthesis of other amino acids and is important in the structure and function of many proteins and enzymes. Phenylalanine is also the precursor for the neurotransmitter phenylethylamine, which could help improve mood and alleviate depression. Then there's tryptophan, another essential amino acid, which serves as a precursor for serotonin, a neurotransmitter that's often called the feel-good hormone. It plays a significant role in maintaining mood balance and is often used in treatments for depression. From understanding peptide bonds to recognizing medicinally important amino acids, we're now well-versed in the intricate world of amino acids. So what does all this mean for you and your health? Amino acids are often referred to as the building blocks of life, and for good reason. They play a crucial role in almost every biological process in your body, from muscle growth and repair to immune function and hormone regulation. But what happens when there's an imbalance in these essential components? The effects of amino acid deficiency or surplus can be profound. For instance, a deficiency in tryptophan, an essential amino acid, can lead to mood disorders like depression and anxiety. On the other hand, an excess of certain non-essential amino acids, such as glutamate, can cause neurological issues like seizures. So how can you ensure your amino acids are in balance? The key is a well-rounded diet. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are complete protein sources, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs. Fruits, vegetables, and grains also contain amino acids, though not every type in each food. By eating a variety of these foods, you can ensure you're getting a balanced mix of amino acids to fuel your body's many processes. But remember, balance is key. Just as too little of an amino acid can lead to health problems, so can too much. Overconsumption of protein, for example, can put a strain on the kidneys and lead to long-term health issues. So, as with everything in life, moderation is the name of the game. And while supplements can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet, They should never be used as a substitute for whole, nutritious foods. Amino acids may be tiny, but their impact on your health is anything but. They're involved in everything from building your muscles to boosting your mood, and without them, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Remember, your body is a well-oiled machine, and amino acids are the oil that keeps it running smoothly. Make sure you're giving it the fuel it needs to keep you feeling your best.